Hello everyone, my name is Melinda. Thank you so much for being here. If you're seeing me or hearing me for the first time, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to take you through the documents required to apply for HELB. Let's get right into the video. This question was prompted by Stephanie Tatia a few days ago, where she asked, is there anything needed from high school? Yes, you need your KCSE index number and your high school documents to finish your profile. This other step, you're going to see the step-by-step process of what you're supposed to do. You need to register, complete your profile, upload all the documents, and submit the application. And then you'll get an email or an SMS to your number or the email address you've registered with. You need a KCPE index number, KCSE index number, your birth certificate if you're under 18, and then the copy of your national ID. It should be in a PDF form. Both sides should be uploaded. You need a passport size photo in JPEG, JPG or PNG, institution admission letter, bank account or M-Pesa number, parents or guardians national ID, 2 guarantors, death certificate if the parents are deceased, secondary sponsorship letter. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope it answers all your questions, but if you do have anywhere or a question that you did not understand and you would like clarification, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you. As always, thank you so much for sticking around and for watching the video to the end. I do look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I'll see you in my next.